Imagine a chip, smaller than your fingernail, that can read your thoughts, track your emotions, and even predict what you'll do next. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This technology is real, and it's already being tested on human brains. But as the excitement grows, so do the concerns. So what does this mean for your privacy, your safety, and your future? This tiny chip can read your brain. Is it safe? Let's break it down. This chip is part of a growing field called brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. They allow direct communication between the human brain and machines. One of the most well-known players is Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk. They've developed an implantable chip that can decode brain signals in real time. But they're not alone. China, the US, and private companies like Synchron and Kernel are all in the race. Some are already implanting chips in people with paralysis to restore movement. Others are exploring how these chips can boost memory, attention, or even connect us to AI. Sounds incredible, right? But if a chip can read your thoughts, it can also record them. And once your thoughts are data, who owns them? Can they be sold? Stolen? Hacked? Privacy experts are sounding the alarm. Even governments are starting to ask. What happens when thought becomes trackable? Could this be used for surveillance? Manipulation? There's no clear regulation yet, just fast-moving innovation. Physically, implanting a chip in the brain is no small deal. It involves surgery, risk of infection, and long-term health effects we don't fully understand. What happens if the chip malfunctions? Can it be removed safely? Early trials are promising, but these are still experimental devices. And yet, people are lining up to be part of the future, because the potential is just that big. Neurotech is moving fast. Soon, we could see chips used not just for medical reasons, but for everyday life. Typing with your mind. Playing games. Sending a message without speaking. But once brain data becomes part of the internet, it opens a door we may not be able to close. So, yes, the chip is real. And no, it's not entirely safe. But like every major tech leap, it's up to us to ask the right questions now, before it becomes normal. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives like this. What do you think? Would you let a chip into your brain? Let's talk in the comments.